Today, we're talking about something super important if you own a pet bird. The size of the cage. Believe it or not, cage size can make a huge difference in your bird's health and happiness. First of all, birds are active creatures. In the wild, they fly 4 miles every day. So when we keep them in a cage, we have to make sure they have enough space to move, stretch their wings, play, and feel comfortable. So, how big should the cage be? A good rule of thumb is this. Your bird should be able to fully extend both wings without touching the sides of the cage. And not just that, there should still be extra space for toys, perches, food bowls, and some flying room inside. For example, small birds like budgies, parakeets, need a cage that's at least 18 inches wide, 18 inches deep, and 24 inches tall. But honestly, bigger is always better. If you can go larger, your bird will thank you for it. For medium-sized birds like aim for at least 24 inches wide and 30 inches tall. And if you have larger parrots, you're looking at much bigger cages, sometimes as big as a small room. Another tip. Always consider the bar spacing. Small birds can get stuck in wide bars, and large birds can break thin bars. So, check the spacing and strength according to your bird's size. Finally, remember your bird's cage is their home. Imagine living your whole life in one small room. You'd want it to be as spacious, safe, and comfortable as possible, right? That's exactly how your bird feels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. And let me know in the comments what kind of bird you have and what cage size you use. See you in the next video.